Tuunin ang mga power moves ng Magnolia Hotshots at Rain or Shine noong nakaraan nilang laban. Sa anong team ka sisigaw mamayang alas 6:15 comment lang ng kung anong team fans ka.
Or yung upper body niya talagang napakalakas.
Well, speak the uses to the rebound. Yeah,
Good inside.
Abueva mag-limites. Hester was there.
Alam mo, he's more of a team player. Kagaya na sabi, bihira siya tinitira.
Mananalo yung team dahil sobrang ganda ng laro ng isang player as they able to drop and use it.
Oras sa taas.
Pero medyo magulo rin kasi yung jump ball situation na yun. And Baroka, pinasok na rin Coach Chito and Mark immediately. Let's go.
That's a big difference with the therapy game. They open things up immediately because of their outside shot.
Ranger close to the basket.
They're picking their shot.
It's on the shot clock. Hester inside. What a play! Ranger close to the basket.
They're picking their shot.
It's on the shot clock. Hester inside. What a play! Escoto keeps it alive and Russell Escoto shine looking to end this quarter on a good note. Yes! Baroka stepping back. Shoots over Magnolia. And Caraco. 3-point will stay with Magnolia. Mark Baroka, the runner.
Talagang, tsaka pinagbibigyan ko siya yung mga MVP. Sila Meneses, sila Serto, no? Kaya nga nasabi ko, you know, even if ganyan lang i-height ni Gio.
Against sa Tiyagan off the lead. Paulie, ang dali na bro. Yak with the rebound. Gets the 2 points.
Person to score against.
Alano bibitaw mula sa labas. That's a 3 points. Marami po. Norwood. Jumper is good. Lee. The hop step inside. Asistio. His jumper, you know, siya naman yung bumabantay dito kay Asistio who gives up.
Have to use that, you know, that, oh, what a nice pass. Can you not, you know, not support your best player at the stage of the game?
Lee. Again with a 3. Rain or shine looking for anything here. They finally get a 3.
Maganda yung kanya pinapakita.
And there, oh! Belga lines up a 3. Back-to-back hits.
Ganda ng kanyang performance here in the league.
Well, that was a great play. Ang dami nilang players doon. They still get a couple of offensive rebounds.
It's really all about, you know, trust. And
Wow! Here's Baroka. On the glass.
picks up threes every now and then.
And Baroka